Station 6. You go first. Teach your kids to be predictable, always aware of their surroundings, and to communicate with other road users. Learning these things will help them be safe and respected on their bicycles and as future drivers.
Look right into the driver's eyes, use your signal, and watch for them to slow down for you and motion you to move over. People driving should slow down and move over to make room for you to move safely away from the hazard. But they don't always. Sometimes, to be safe, you have to stop or slow down until it is safe to go. Drivers, slow down. Wait until it is safe to move over and pass. Allow a minimum of 3 feet between the rightmost part of your car and the leftmost part of the bicycle. Be prepared for kids to swerve and turn unpredictably.